Hi everyone, we're at Deep Creek in Gympie, ready to do some fossicking. We've got our trolley filled with the things we need. We've got our bucket, we've got a pair of glasses, scooper, got that, we've got all the essentials that we need. We've got all the stuff. We've got the different sizes and pans. We've got water, a bigger pan. We've got our gloves. We've got sunblock. We've got a spade. I think we're good to go now. Deep Creek in Gympie. The water is calm, but it's running water. We've got some material here. We're gonna run it through the sieve. Then we're gonna run it through the sluice, and then we're gonna use the pan to pan it. Here's an example of what we found. It's really fine. That's just a piece of rock over here. But like, it's really fine sand, and the gold is in it, so you gotta really work on it. And we're gonna get it into this. It's really fine. We need to sort that out, but I've just randomly put stuff in here. So that's our plan today. Remember, if you're trying it out, hand tools are fine, and remember to get your license as well. First day out here, or to be honest, my first time looking for gold. So let's see how this goes. New here, you've got to watch out for these holes. There's been a lot of people digging out here, or looks like it. So when you're close to the edges, if you're walking around, just make sure to mind your step. But it's a beautiful place with a lot of gold out there to be found. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.